Welcome. And in this short demo, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful Excel-based business accounting and management software, as you can see here. But mind you, this is actually developed for a school. So it's going to be more of what I'm going to be showing here. It's going to be more of school system, right? Now, this software is built on Excel, and it is built with simplicity, automation, and flexibility at its core. Now, unlike bulky software that demands monthly subscriptions or internet access, this solution runs entirely on Excel, a tool you already know and trust. But this isn't just Excel, it's Excel turned into software. As you can see, this is the home page here. You can see the summary of what this software is capable of doing. From the menu bar, you can see that we have the dashboard, the payroll, financial projections, student fee, expenses, income and expenditure, balance sheet, cash flow, receipt, archive, invoice, and report. Now, let's quickly look at the data entry modules. Now, whether you're tracking student fees, product sales, staff payroll, or company expenses, every transaction is entered once and flows automatically across the software. So irrespective of what you're doing, you can see what we have here: student fee, expenses, payroll, and you can always go back to the home page from any of the sheets, right? So we also have the automatic archiving. I'm going to use that to explain two things. Now, the moment I click on this archive, it's asking me to enter edit permit pin, because the archiving is very, very important, because that's where all data, all information gets to. And this is where the dashboard is fed from. So we cannot afford to tamper with any data or information from the archive. So with one click, actually, I'm going to cancel this because I do not want to edit it. Now go back home. With one click here, this is archive and refresh. With this click, you can archive monthly data, cleanly storing your records while preparing your sheets for the next month. No clutter, no data loss. And like I mentioned earlier, we also have dynamic dashboard and report. The dashboard updates in real time. Let me go there. This also requires us to enter a PIN, because the dashboard is also very, very important. We can't tamper with any data or information on the dashboard. So I'm going to click on cancel because I do not want to edit it. So the moment I try to edit anything here, the software will tell me that I cannot. Let me try to change the month. We have March here. Let me try to change this to April, and then you see what we have here. The cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter a password. So all of this sheet, not all, the most important aspect of this sheet are protected, right? They are protected. Nobody comes in and just tamper with anything, change anything or whatsoever. No. So that would take me to saying that there is protection and licensing, security and licensing. I've shown you from the archive and the dashboard that the software is secured. The software is maximally secured. So to protect your investment, this software comes with licensing and role-based password access. That prevents unauthorized changes or sharing. Okay. Then this software can actually be integrated with Google Sheets. Yeah, you can connect this software with Google Sheets. Your team can update records remotely. They don't need to be where you are before records are, updated. And the updates sync into into the software every few minutes, depending on the settings you give it. You can give it every 1 minute. You can just, it's all about the settings. So once the software is integrated with Google Sheets, it keeps syncing, right? Via Power Query. The software uses Power Query. Then we have additional perks, right? You also get automatic invoice and receipt. Look at it here, automatic invoice and receipt. This is the invoice template. This is the receipt template. And even when you generate the receipt, you can export it to PDF, so you can send it to the parent, to the client, to the customer, to whoever you want to send it to. So whether you run a school, a service agency, a clinic, or any small business, this Excel-based software is designed to save you time, to boost your accuracy, and put you in control. So you can always reach out to us to get a copy today. And finally, this has a logout button. So right now, I'm logging out of the software. See you when you purchase yours.